Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jyotisha-mapi tajyotihi tamasaha paramuchyate ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम्। ॐ As an Atma, you yourself is the source of light to realize everything. You do not need any extra light. You are far superior than this Prakriti, nature. You are beyond the darkness of this matter. You are the personification of knowledge, Jnanam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that as an Atma, I am the source of light to understand and realize everything. I do not need any extra light. Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I am far superior than this Prakriti, nature. Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I am beyond the darkness of this matter. Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I am the personification of Jnanam. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju about 30 divine qualities, 30 dharmas, saying that, "Oh, Dharmaja, so far I told you about 11 dharmas. Now 12th dharma is Swadhyayam. Swadhyayam means whatever the dharmam that you belong, you should be learning about that dharmam through the divine scriptures, and you should also be initiated with mantram which belongs to your dharmam." And 13th is Arjavam. Arjavam means whatever you think, that should be come out from your words and that should be practiced in your actions. 14th dharma is Santosham. Santosham means being content with whatever that you have. 15th is Samadrukseva. That means serving great enlightened people, taking care of great enlightened people. 16th one is Gramyo Paramamu. That means slowly, gradually giving up unnecessary things. And 17th is Nrunam Viparyaye Heksha. That means you should be observing all the people, what they are doing, and all the waste things how people are doing. You should keep observing. 18th is Maunam. Maunam means only when it is needed you should speak, that too limitedly. 19th is Atma Vimarsanam. That means you should always keep thinking that you are different from your body. 20th is Annadi Samvibhagam. That means you should always divide the food that you have among others. That means share your food with others. And then 21st dharma is Bhuta Devata Buddhi. You should always think that you are Atma, and in every living being there is Atma. All these Atmas are equal. So you should carry that equal vision. Not only that, you should be able to see Paramatma in every living being. Like that, Narada Maharshi teaching few dharmas which every one of us supposed to be cultivating, inculcating. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Setravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 17th sloka. Jyotishamapi tajyotihi tamasah paramuchyate. Jnanam jneyam jnanagamyam hridi sarvasya vishtitam. Jyotishamapi tajyotihi tamasah paramuchyate. Jnanam jneyam jnanagamyam hridi sarvasya vishtitam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.